Hi students, today we have to discuss about the topic is multiple alleles, then characteristic features of multiple alleles, then different kinds of sex determinations. It can possible the time means the finally discussing the topic is called mutations. Now going to that title is called what? Multiple alleles. First of all, what do you mean call alleles? That means two factors making up a pair of contrasting character. That means we are already studied about regarding monohybrid cross like this. Capital T cross with small t. Those will be act as regarding water parents. Capital T is denoted as tall. Small t denoted as regarding water dwarf. What are the gametes are obtained like this? Capital T, here small t, crossed with F1 generation is called capital T and small t is obtained. So that is homozygous dominant because both are similar but dominant. Here both are similar but recessive. So how to say this commonly called as homozygous recessive. So homozygous dominant crossed with homozygous recessive, result is obtained regarding what? Heterozygous dominant. Because the capital T is a dominant character. So what is obtained? Tall. Now come to the title like this. What are the called alleles? Two factors. What are two factors? Tall and dwarf are also called capital T crossed with small t. What is obtained in F1 generation? Capital T and small t. So what are the definitions of alleles? Two factors making up a pair of contrasting character. That is alleles. So now go to the title like this. What do you mean commonly called as multiple alleles? That means more than three or many allelic forms. Definition: 3 or more than 3 allelic forms occupy gene of same locus in a pair of homologous chromosome. You are already studied about what you mean commonly called as locus. These are chromosomes. The number of genes are there: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, like this. Each one you have to be considered as a gene. The genes are arranging regarding what sequence. Each gene located as a particular point is commonly called as locus. So, what are definitions of multiple allele means? 3 or more than allelic forms occur in a gene or occupy in a same gene or same locus in a homologous chromosome, that is commonly called as multiple alleles. In general, multiple alleles which is are located on the regarding what same locus and also regarding what same chromosome. So, now to going to discuss about that next one topic commonly called as characteristic features of multiple alleles. So, what are the character it must be present that regarding what the multiple alleles? But the first one, multiple alleles which is or occur in a series form. Where is occur in the form of regarding series form? In a gene. In a gene on a same locus in a pair of homologous chromosome, a series form of regarding what multiple alleles are there. Or otherwise known as series of multiple alleles occupy in a same locus of homologous chromosomes. So, for example, is a chromosome 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a series. Each one should be considered regarding what one gene. Each gene containing so many kinds of regarding what alleles. That series form of multiple alleles occur on a same locus in a pair of homologous chromosome. Okay. If it is occur in the form of series means there is no possible crossing over. Or in a chromatid, genes are occur as a series mean there is no possible crossing over in between the regarding what allelic series. You know what is the probability of crossing over? Crossing over is nothing but is a process which producing recombination of chromosome. So, what is the recombination? Combination between two things. Recombination, one of the important raw material for evolution. What is the evolution? Origin of new species. So, if its new species are responsible, it must be K means it's a happen recombination. Recombination it must be happen regarding what a crossing over. So, there is no crossing over, there is no recombination, there is no recombination, there is no evolution. So, if genes are occur as a series or multiple alleles occur as a series, between them there is no possible the crossing over, so that there is no producing new character. That is the first characteristic features of multiple alleles. Second one, multiple allele is responsible for all or which may be produce same characters. Because indicating the series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like this. That is a series of alleles. All the alleles are look like same means they can produce regarding what same character. How can it possible producing regard different character? Because if the series of multiple alleles are occurring, there is no crossing over. Due to absence of crossing over, there is no producing new character. So that is indicating regarding the second point. Multiple allele is responsible for producing same characteristic feature. Okay, the connected to regarding third one characteristic feature. Wild type of multiple alleles. It is always exhibit dominant character. What is that? Wild type of multiple alleles which is always exhibit dominant character. Instead of mutant type of multiple alleles, it is always exhibit intermediate character or dominant character. So these are exhibit both the characteristic feature. What are both the characters? It may be exhibit dominant character as well as intermediate character. Which one? Wild type of multiple alleles which may be exhibit only that regarding what a dominant character alone. But mutant, what is called mutant? The organism undergo mutation. So in environment, so many kinds of organisms is available, but all organisms not undergo regarding what mutation. Some organism is undergo regarding what a mutation, that organism to be considered as a mutant. So mutant type of multiple alleles, it may be exhibit two different kinds of characteristic feature, namely it may be exhibit dominant character, it may be exhibit intermediate characters. That is the third one characteristic feature. The fourth one, when crossing is made between two mutant variety, crossing is made between two mutant variety. The crossing is made between two mutant varieties. The phenotypic characteristic feature, it exhibit mutant alone. So when crossing is made between two mutant variety, after crossing, which character which must be exhibit means the mutant phenotypic characters only which can be exhibit, not wild type. Because if you are crossed two mutant variety, after crossing these two, what type of character which must be expressed the F1 generation is commonly called as mutant character which may be exhibit, not a wild type of characteristic feature. So that these four is commonly called as characteristic features of regarding what multiple alleles. The next topic is going to discuss about self-sterility in Nicotiana. Self-sterility is also known as self-incompatibility. What is the self sterility? What is the self incompatibility? Self sterility mean even though having the characteristic feature, but that things cannot be exposed. To be simply say, pollen grain, if it is fall on the suitable stigma, is unable to regarding what to germinate. Respectable pollen present on respectable stigma, unable to germinate. That is self sterility, or also called self incompatibility. Self sterility and self incompatibility first to be identified in Nicotiana. This a common name is tobacco or tobacco. What a binomial name is commonly called as Nicotiana tabacum. Here can we first find out self sterility. Okay. What is the characteristic feature it must be existing regarding what Nicotiana? Why that self sterility is occurred regarding what Nicotiana? Because series of multiple alleles occur in the Nicotiana. That series multiple alleles, it cause self sterility. So to be concluded is nothing but, if the genes are occur in the alternate form, it cannot be caused regarding our self sterility. Series of multiple alleles occur in a gene or occupy in a same locus of homologous chromosome, that is responsible to be caused regarding what self sterility. So simply say, series of multiple alleles which must be occur, that is caused regarding what self sterility. Okay, yeah. What are the definitions of regarding what self sterility mean? You know that structural view. That is stigma, that is style, that is ovary. So stigma, it must be found pollen grains. Pollen grain fall on suitable stigma, but the pollen grain unable to germinate or unable to produce regarding what the pollen tubes, or otherwise known as pollen grain fall on suitable stigma. There is no possible to fertilization in the suitable ovule, because ovary is a content regarding ovule. That's I am already given the structure. There is a commonly called as polar nuclei, synergids, egg, then antipodal cells. That is called chalasalin. That is micropylarin. So when the pollen grain is a fall on suitable stigma, the pollen grain is responsible produce regarding what to pollen tube. So what is the called self sterility mean? If pollen grain fall on suitable stigma but unable to germinate, as well as pollen grain doesn't be possible undergo regarding water fertilization, that is commonly called as self sterility. That self sterility, it can be first observed in Nicotiana, which is scientist to be observed the multiple alleles in the Nicotiana is commonly called as bent. Which is scientist commonly called as Yeast. When the year of 1925, he was the first person to be identified multiple alleles cause regarding what? Self-sterility in Nicotiana. That is are responsible for self-incompatibility. But after that, the yeast, which gene is caused regarding self-sterility, he designed as a symbols. That symbol is commonly called as S. The S is denoted regarding what? Self-incompatibility. Or also called self-sterility. This is not a single gene, a series of genes there. How to indicate is commonly called as S1, S2, S3, S4, then S5. These are commonly called as series of multiple alleles. So when you mud crossed fertilized tobacco, what they call crossed fertilized tobacco? The crossing is made two different kinds of tobacco. If the crossing is made two different kinds of tobacco, mean the crossed tobacco, the alleles are not in regarding what the homozygous. What the homozygous? S1 cross with S2. So crossed fertilized tobacco, if it is made, mean it not possible crossing with mad S1 crossed with the S2. If it is cross, mean you are not possible make regarding what? Homozygous. The crossed fertilized tobacco it is obtained, mean really the crossing is made other than the S1, S2. How it can be crossing? S1, S2 crossed with S2, S3. These two it can be possible, it can make regarding what? Fertilized tobacco it can be possible. So if you are crossing, same alleles are crossing, mean if it is obtained, same type of genome is obtained again and again in all kinds of generation, there is no new character, is not possible. So crossing is made two different kinds of tobacco, mean which allelic form is responsible for crossing is commonly called as S1, S2 crossed with S2, S3. These two form of alleles is responsible make regarding what? Crossed fertilized tobacco. In addition, when crossing is made two different S1, S2 means it cannot possible produce regarding what? Pollen tube. If your crossing is made between different S1, S2, if you crossing, mean there is no possible to develop pollen tubes. But when it responsible produce regarding what? Pollen tube? If you are crossing other than the S1, S2, how? It may be crossing S3 and S4, S2 and S4, whatever it may be. So if you are crossing S1 and S2 means pollen tube will not be developed. If it is pollen tube is more effective and well developing if you are crossing other than S1 and S2. So now I am going to commonly called as the crossing is made seed parent such as S1 and S2, pollen parents S2 and S3. So if it is crossing is made S1, S2 and S2, S3 mean You are find out two different pollen tubes, or you are distinguish two different kinds of regarding what a pollen tube. Then its crossing is made between S1 and S2 and S2 and S3. So in general, pollen carry S2 is not effective. So please, when you observe the video, please note it in the books, because the need point of view, pollen carrying S2 is not effective. Which is are effective? Pollen carrying S3 is so called regarding what effective. That one it can possible to fertilization. So when crossing is made between S1, S2, S3 and S4, what are the genome is obtained in first one? S1, S3, S1, S4, S2, S3, S2, S4. There are 4 different kinds of combination they may be obtained. Now I am going to be what are the progeny of self incompatibility is given as regarding what a checkerboard. Female parent, there is a male parent, that is stigma spot, that is pollen sources. What are the gene? S1, S2, S2, S3, S3 and S4. Here S1, S2, S2, S3, S3 and S4. If you have crossing, because the same S1 and S2, I am already telling about you. If you are crossing, it's mad same kinds of allelic form means there is no formations of new things. That's a commonly called as self-sterility. Then crossing these and this one, because here S2 is there, S2 is there. Same kinds of allelic form, there is no possibility to be crossing. So you have to crossing other than the S2. So crossing with like this. S3, S1, then S3 and S2. These two it can be possible for allelic forms, those to be crossing. Then third one, crossing to be S3 and S1, then S3 and S2, then S4 and S1, then S4 and S2. That 4 it can possible to probabilities. Can I go to the second one? Here S2 is there, here S2 is there. If it is same kinds of alleles are occurring, there is no possibility to be crossing is make regarding what self-sterility. So if you cross regarding what other than the S2. S1, S2, S1 and S3, these two is a possibilities. So can I go to the next one? S2, S2, S3 and S3. So what happened that self sterility. We'll go to next one. S3 is there, S3 is there. Same kinds of things mean there is no possible regarding what allelic make that. So you can cross apart from that. S4 and S2, S4 and S3. These two it can possible. Correct. Go to the last one. S3 and S4. Yes. There are four probabilities are appear. First of all here. S1, S3. அடுத்து. S1, S4. Next. S2, S3. S2, S4. These four probabilities are possible. The next one. Here S3 is there, here S3 is there. So there is no possibility to be crossing. It can possible, its probabilities occur only S4 alone. So cross with the S2, S3, then S2, S4. Those two is a possibilities. The last one, S3, S4, S3, S4. So it will be make self-sterility. This is the probability is possible for self-incompatibility of regarding what the progeny is.